Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Hello Baby Official, and in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe to my channel. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And guys, this is a good story from the village, and I will let all to update you to know all my family. So today I have a good story for you, and right now I wanna close this door so to give you good story ever, and no one who have a clue, but sometimes we say, God, thank you so much for the gift of life. Thank you so much. Everything it's happened by God reason. So right now in our village, no one have an idea, but I know if your mind is sharp, you do things which is right. So today at the same time, I'm going to check the owner of the land, want to talk about the issues of that house remaining there. If it's not yet, I will not pay the money before that. So the house remaining there, and then make agreement. So right now today, it's a huge progress by itself, or huge transformation at Villa Menjelin. Stay tuned, guys. When I'm closing the door, come along with me. Come along with me. Today is today, guys. I'm hurry up to save time, but sorry for that. Today my phone went off and I didn't have the watch, so I want to say, guys, sorry for that. And thank you for the returner subscriber. I really appreciate it for the first time. So this is another huge progress. We have the tank here, and also, wow, that's my sister. They tried to wash utensils. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my prince sister. So they try to wash utensils, and that is the good thing. In fact, my mama told her to do, slowly. One day he will be. Let me close here, because we need privacy. So not like the gate are being open, everybody enter like wow. You must knock the door. Guys, my baby is here, and my baby will help me running with time, because right now, guys, we want to construct the road direct to Villa Menjelin, guys. If you believe on me, watch these videos until the end. And in case you're new here on today's vlog, this is another project that I was running through. And actually, guys, if you want to support in terms of tiles, if it's one toilet, you are ready to go. That's the kind you can push me, and also I push my family. So guys, let me show you. I'm showing people, in case you're new here, what I'm running to, but several times I show people, guys. Welcome to my project. This is my first project before I install the tank, but I want to say thank you so much, mom, for installing my mom a new tank. And for me, if you believe on me, I just make a videos what we're supposed to do, like for the land. Stay tuned, guys. So right now, guys, this is my mama washroom, and I'm updating you on Saturday. I will finish up the remaining 10% to be total of 100%. So right now I fix the tiles and everything. So the tiles for finishing here, I'll be here, guys. So I need your full support, guys. Yeah, by watching my videos, or in other way for supporting me. So try to imagine I start installing my mom first washroom and everything. So when I get maybe through your support, and also I fix the tiles on other washroom, because that's the washroom toilet. So my mom could have its own washroom like this, or bathroom like this, and also no more like walking. And also this side we'll have this side is our bathroom, and also here is a toilet, guys. Wow. So this is my mom toilet, guys. And that being said earlier, if you want to support maybe in terms of times, like, oh hello baby, let me support you with your mom's only toilet, it's just over here. But the struggle of my life, I make my mom to be proud. I put for the ceiling board, and there's the toilet down there, this one here. So I'm waiting. When I finish up, I'll make some thorough cleanliness inside here. So we thank God. We thank God, guys. We thank God, and I really motivate young generation like me. If you have your parent, both your parents at home, just make at least to be smiled. You know, us it's just like a fruit, so our parents enjoy, benefit from us. You know, like for me, I take care of my parent. I take care of my mom actually. So we thank God. Right now, I have single parent, and God is good. So to be have my mom, and also I wanna say, my father, wherever you are, rest in peace. My soul, rest in peace, my father. I love you too much, but God love you too. So I'm just over here as a firstborn to take care of my family. So at least to make sure that my family will be maybe let me say on the next maybe 3 years, my family could be on the next level. So that's the kind of blessing coming toward my dad's home, man. Wow. So let me close this chapter. So today's videos are very, very special. It's all about huge transformation, guys. So stay tuned as I move. Wow, let's go. That's my project over there. Wow, amazing one. Wow. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to take my baby just over there. So I'm rushing to Villa Menjerin right now. Wow. Well guys, so it's early morning here, and today we tried to this road to Ayamara, they tried to be constructed by the tractors, guys. So right now, no more struggling, maybe passing with a motorbike, saying, oh, whoa, look. You see, guys, difference between here and here. And also, the land which I bought here, Marab, and actually, I'm a manager, Marab, it's the kids, Marab, there's African kids. Oh man, so the land which I bought here, it's for my my fellow friend. It's not my original land, so I'm the one who taking care. And at the same time, guys, we so grateful what God have done for us. If you can look at this point here, the road have been constructed, guys. Try to imagine. And I think the tractors are inside doing something else. So this is the land here. So try to imagine how blessing are coming. And I think by soon the power will be around here. So actually, guys, I want to show you how things they are here. Wow, look. So yesterday we tried to do locally way, but right now there's some tractors or excavator or bulldozer try to do something else here. So look at the side and this side. So they are going inside to a mirror, taking maybe corner. Wow. Let's see, guys. Dream are valid, man. Wow. Let's see what is doing inside. Wow. Look at the guys. Wow, amazing one. Amazing one from the villa, guys. From the villa. Wow, guys. See, guys, I'm telling you, and there we have Mr. Jack. Oh, how are you? You good? Fine. Yeah. Look, guys, from this one here. Wow. So they can take this one to other side. Look at this. Try to imagine, man. So from that way, going this way. Sorry for the noise, guys. Wow. So you can see the difference between this one and also this one here. So guys, the water is running like this way, and then the road will remaining here. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow, guys, and I really shocked about these trees here. Maybe they're gonna come like this way, and then when it reach here, jump to this side here. Take. Wow. You see, guys, and that being said, my road will be, imagine this one here will be my gate, maybe from other side. So when I put here the gate, and Joe, Kimbi one, Kimbia, chat, Kimbia ni kwambi, so Kimbia haraka. Wow. Kimbia, waambie Robi akuje na kamera kwa kina Ben. Nenda basi. Tupitie hapa juu. Nenda tata mwana na kusubiria. Well guys, so on each side it's Giti River, other side Jamaican Anchor. This side it's for my friend. And guys, our beautiful cow around here. So we try to see huge transformation to my village, guys. African Kenya. Oza. What? You see, guys? Asi hapa atapiga mtaro hapo ndani. Hey. Hapa anapiga mtaro. Kwa baba yake. Anasema anaongea na yule mama wa hapo. Si hata hapo unapiga mtaro kabisa unaingia hapo. Lakini nje yeye ni free. Sana. Kama kwa pasi hapo. Sasa hapo. Ongea msema ana shida. Sini champion ya Giti River. Uno asisi maua gani suchapu utoe? Hapa ni papini tena zaidi. Sasa hatuwezi piga mtaro hapa na wao. Unaona? Ukipiga mtaro hapa na hapa katakuwa kafini. Katakuwa hivi hivi. Kama hizi tendo. Sasa unaona hapa hivi. Sisi kama umenipata. Nishaelewa. Ndrawiri tendo ritunu. Hata hivi. Hata face it tenda chini. Alikuwa yeye alisema pigia Mungu. Pigia muuliza kama ni hivi pigia. Hi guys. Actually I'm the assistant operator on constructing this road to Ayamaro. Actually this road, the problem with this road is only that it's very narrow, but we are going to make it happen and we are going to make it beautiful. I go by the name Waiter_Adventures. I'm also a content creator, but I'm an operator also. So I was given this contract with the Mr. Sisi. Mr. Yeah, Mr. Sisi.
He's the one who told us we can construct this road to Amaro. I asked him, we came yesterday and surveyed it, but I told him we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it a very good road, actually, guys. So it's going to be, this just for the start. You can just show them this is the start.
You can see, guys, difference between this one and this one.
Yeah, so we have just met the first ridge on the other side, on the right side to the villa, but we are continuing. I think this will take us almost 6 hours to 7 hours.
And then we bring the roller compact.
No, the roller is not coming actually. If we could have enough space, we will compact it by ourselves. We know how we work. Yeah, okay. No, the first thing on compacting the road is the motor grader, because whenever a motorbike will be coming, it will step on this side. It won't walk here. That's the reason to why I'm telling you. The first thing on compacting the road is a motor grader. And what if we run on this several times? It's gonna be it's gonna be happen actually.
Yes, I know.
How we make roads where we don't have roller. Actually, roller is a bit expensive to bring it here, because you need a alloy loader and the roller itself from the, and this place is somehow narrow for the roller, but it won't make it's only one run. It won't make several runs on this road. That's the reason to why I'm telling you we are going to make it by ourselves, because it's only that we have this narrow spaces like this tree. We had asked River. Yesterday we asked River, but Mr. Cecil told us there's no need. Yeah.
And what do you think about today, bro?
Okay, this is a fantastic moment over here, because if you remember yesterday we put some people, but actually at the end of the day we come to discuss about why not bring the tractor. Yeah.
Do you remember one day Mara said, one day I'll make this road to my home?
Yeah.
And right now dream come to
actually
reality.
dreams are really coming true. That's the reason that you just see that today. It happens. Yeah.
It's happening. It's happening.
Tata. Okay.
That.
Okay.
Continue, bro.
Yeah, so that's what it is, guys. So if you're watching this for your first time, watch the video till the end, subscribe and like the video till the end.
Wow. Wow. Chacha. Chat. Oh. Hi. Let's go. Hiyo simjui. Well, so let me take it to the villa again. Guys, I'm trying to imagine the land which I bought here. I'm so blessed, and the road are being constructed. Oh man, dream come to reality. So this is my land here, and try to imagine it can't touch the post. So I'm so grateful. So by tomorrow I will put some mark here, and maybe when I want to build the gate, I'll screw some feet back, and then maybe when you drive with a car, could give you a good corner. So far so good. That is it. And also, guys, try to imagine this is the boundary here, and going this way it can touch. So that is it. So it means I'll put a mark here. If in future I want to build a perimeter wall, I'll put on this side here, from here. But going this way doesn't have problem, So I'll put from here, going this way to left this part maybe, and for easy maybe when the time reach when I want to deliver materials here, the tippers could be enter easily. So that is it, and we're so happy. We're so happy when we see success coming to my village and all stuff, guys. Do you know what I mean? So that is it, and today on today's videos I'll go and join about the issue of my land. Right now I'm calling my land, but honestly that land, it's for my friend. So you know, be honest, it's a good thing. Wow. And I really shocked why maybe when come for the second time they wanna swipe these stones, maybe put aside like this way, or on other side these stones here. So that being said, is, you know, right now this is Trench boy, this Trench town boy, he was here. So big shout out to him, and also in other way Mr. Cecil. So he tried the best because they have some special we call Mazda, kind of a Mazda car, or I don't know the model, it's just over there. So when going to border town, and it can give him easy way of driving. And sometimes not only that, for example, our neighbors right now get the good road going to his home, you know, like this way, that way, everybody, even congrats dad, that way. So that's what you mean. Babu kavokire kuku hiyo ni ya wale vile vifaranga ni vikubwa, vile vifaranga ni vikubwa, ni ya wale. So this is how villa, guys, I'm telling you, more success is coming. And this is the vehicle, guys, or the car, so for easy driving. Wow, you see, guys. Because of there's no place where this excavator can take around the corner, so we try to open the gate, so it wanna maybe coming like this way, from that way going this way, and then come reverse at this point, and then direct to construct the road. So to make matter worse, everything is good and well, fantastic here. So we thank God for each and every time, each single minute. So far so good, man. Right now the road are being directed all the way up to the villa. So if one day you pay our visitors, no more struggle. Your work is to drive. Even right now, I think the Mercedes-Benz, it can come here without any worry. You know what I mean, guys? Rio baba, Rio baba, Rio baba. That's Rio. They are grazing there, Rio. And also you have Malaika here. Malaika, 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 Malaika. This is Malaika. They are grazing. Malaika, Malaika. Wow, guys. So far so good. We have beautiful horses here. Wow. So that is it, and we just over here celebrating the success which come to Villa Menjeling. Look at this. A place like this one here. Wow, we celebrate some success. Wow. So even right now, the water is full, man. Since it's raining, the water is full, guys. Look, So wow. Rain, it's everything. Rain, it's everything. So right now the fish you're enjoying here. What is full? Even you can't see the fish. I'm telling you. Let me come this way. Let me come here. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. Look. Here is it. Guys, let me know on today's videos what do you think about this vlog. And for me, are very, very special. And in case you're new here for the first time, give our video a like, comment, and also share. And let your son to be 6K subscriber. I will appreciate. So I wanna check the gain phone and dove here. Hey. There is the mixture of dove, gain phone, and also we have the hens here. Let me show you. Also hen. Hey, look. Wow. So hey. Wow. So each and every time, you know, birds are enjoying. Move from one trees to another. So when I'm in primary school education, I had one, I forget, but there's one word say, the birds are singing melodious song. The birds are moving from one trees to another, singing a melodious song. So for me, it's just like a memorable. I can't forget. And that is it. That is it. That is it. So because of the noise of the bulldozers, and also try to be a side away, so to explain you what is going on. So that is it. So today you want to make these videos by enjoying and see how we are blessed in our village. So far so good. I'm not saying this road have been bad. It's been good, and the tippers, lorries are passing, and I'm trying to think on the small vehicle. What about that? So it was like this. It was put some you know, guys, like for example these stones we bought from mining area. This stone that you see here, we bought from mining area. And that being said, the road was so good, even we passed with our motorbike. But you know, like when Mr. Cecil came here, they came with we call it Uber. So me, I don't know the meaning of Uber. Is the vehicle that you hire or what? Things like that. So when you're going to border town, that vehicle is somehow low, sitting down low. So it needs flat road or well constructed road. So sometimes you have some big stones. So like this one here. So we try to look other means or other way for transforming the road. So like yesterday, they do like this manually with hands, and technically right now the roads have been in good way. So guys, don't worry, I'll take you through that land or through this dreamland over here. And technically for me, I want to I will update you whether the owner decide the house to be remain. So I handled that issue to congratulate dad. So after this, for me, no more hide. If it's good message to allowed in social media, I can allow it. So I'll make sure that that house will be remaining there. You know, I will make sure. So that is it. So when the good house remaining there, maybe in less than 2 years, it will assist me as a store. Hey, good girl.
Yeah.
You
Hi.
good?
Yeah.
I'm good.
How are you?
I'm also good.
Hello
was-
guys, welcome back to Hello Baby Official. You are filming somewhere there?
Yes, me, I was filming on that land over there. So
Oh.
today I want to make some payment and to get the document.
Oh, you bought it?
Yes, I bought it, but I'm the manager.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
don't worry. Okay.
Okay, let me give myself a shout out.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
Special shout out.
Okay,
Don't fear.
Okay, hello guys. Welcome to Hello Baby Official. My name is Robbie Girl. I'm also a content creator. If this is your very first time seeing me, kindly go check me at Robbie Girl. Subscribe and road to success. Always positive vibes. Yes.
Okay. Moi na bo. Tayu. Onde tora onde de câmbio retira, ngara ko tena kwa. So guys, I'm just over here with Superstar.
Good morning to you. How you all doing?
Yes.
Glad to be here. We're watching the guys as they're grading the road down to Marwa's place. We did it one way yesterday, but it wasn't good enough.
Yes, this
So I had to call for this guy to use the grader to make the road.
Maybe come this way.
Make the roads better.
Oh guys, look further. Okay, you can continue because of the noise. So right now, if you try to pass with your car, it's easy.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Sesi, thank you.
Yes.
Me, I call you Mr. Sesi. In your YouTube channel,
Trench Town Boy.
Yes.
Trench Town Boy.
You know,
Proud
Trench
to,
maybe
proud
is
to,
the, is
proud
the
to call myself Trench Town Boy.
yes, it's found in Jamaica. Trench.
Trench Town Boy. And it doesn't mean
Yeah.
anything derogatory. I'm proud to know where I came from.
Yes, from
and,
Trench.
and it doesn't matter if, you know, one might think I'm a boy or I know who I am. So I call myself Trench Town Boy.
Right now you are strong.
Yes.
You are a boy, strong boy. Whoa! Wow. Super amazing. Babu unanoa tu shoka. No, tuangu waone vile unanoa babu. This axe here. Noa. Tuone vile unanoa.
Babu unafanya hivi.
We use a funnel or a file to sharpening the axe. Wow. Super amazing, guys. I feel so good. Wow, look. From other side going that way, man. Look. from the villa going outside. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Wow, 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 wow. So guys, so far so good. I will let you to know from the from two. Sorry guys, we are going that way. Well guys, I will let you to know from 2 p.m. my watch time, and right now, so let me check the time before we move. I will let you to know guys. So from 2 p.m. Right now it's 08. It's 08:46 a.m. So that's my local time in Africa here. So technically the road was being constructed by 7 a.m. if I'm not wrong, because it was being constructed from here up to the main Muram road on the other side. So by 8 I'll let you to know how my progress of that land going, because I don't want to tolerate the nonsense that the house was being demolished. If it's possible, I let her leave. So let me try to do like this. Okay. Oh my god. Yes, I'm trying to close my jacket. So by 8 I'll let you to know about the process of my land. So, guy, so for me, let me go to border town. Is I want to check that land, so to make everything clear today.
Even you, I was requiring you over here. You just go and then come back, because there's some place which the manpower will be used, like slashing, like cutting of trees. There's some trees over the road. It needs to be
Which
cut.
one?
The trees. There's some trees over there. There's some fence which are done to slash. So you just go.
I can maybe pause because it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like I've just take one pango from here, take another from Congress. That so that we can just slash, so that it can just be easier for the
Excavators first.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So let me wait for the pang and then we can go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we gotta find a good barber.
Yeah. I bought it.
Barber shop.
A nice barber shop. I don't want to find a little
you take
nice barber shop.
you take Mr. Sesi to Tanzania. You don't go from Renfree. Serengeti Tower.
I can't go because if I go, I can't come back. I only have one entry on my visa to come into
Wow. Right now, how the road are being constructed, it looks so good. Oh, wow. So we shall meet for the next videos. Guys, we just over here with Robiga.
Yes guys, everything is good. We are so happy. You see the road is being under construction. Not only one person will enjoy, but the whole village. Yeah, so these are a big achievement to the community, to the villagers. Yeah, they will have a smooth
And I
road.
thank God they didn't interfere with these bananas, because we have the bananas over here, guys. You see that? Wow. Wow.
Even they didn't interfere with maize. You can see they just make a
If they want to interfere, it's maybe 1 or 2, 3.
yeah. So this is so amazing for the whole community. They have a road near their home. You see, when
Villagers like this one have the road.
yeah,
That one going that way. Everybody.
yeah, when you wake up, you just to call, hello, come and pick me. There's a road. You know, even you are proud. You say there's a road which comes straight to our house. You feel so like, hey, we have a road.
This side,
Yeah.
this side.
You say, hey, we have a road. Yeah, it's very, very good. Yeah, so guys, go check me at Robigan. Me, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so.
Wow.
It's a good feeling, you know.
So, okay, let me check. There is another land here for my friend, and I was taking him to purchase the land. Come and then we see, and then we shall continue going. So, guys, we had the conversation with yes. So I was make sure that our neighbor from maybe different countries and from Kenya, he bought the land here, and I was in charge, so directing him to get the land in my village here. So even right now, guys, I wonder, so they're supposed to left one house, so right now why not? So they demolish everything, you know. Yes, you know, guys, I put the mark. This is the mark that I put, and I smear the concrete. So far so good, guys. Even other land are going to do like this. Wow, guys, I wonder why the house was being demolished. So let me take you around. So this is the zinc. We know this is the zinc.
Zinc.
Yes, but for us we learned British words or language. We call it iron sheet. And for now, guys, I'm so shocked, but it's okay. And this land reached at this point here, so I make a mark, you know, guys. It's concrete, so no one can maybe say, oh, I squeeze your land. Look, this is a boundary. So far so good. Me, I'm trying to combine some videos which I was passing some true of challenges, and through our conversation with the owner of this land or the seller, they said he wanna left one house as a meanwhile. So right now everything was being demolished here. So I wonder why. Okay, Robbie girl, come along. So this one here, and that is the fact of the villagers when you make every payment, and that's why I defend on other land, because that house must be there. When the owner disagree, I don't want maybe to make any payment. I will look for other land. So right now you can see this land here. The owner said, and the buyer and the seller come together and say, you left for only one house as a meanwhile. When I build, I demolished maybe later, and then you take your iron sheet. But right now, I wonder if my brother were watching these videos, Sylvain the man, the house was being demolished, and no house would be remaining here. So try to imagine, guys. Even that woman which I was making I was trying to buy that land. If the house will not remain, I couldn't make any payment. That is simple case, because sometimes I was shocked, man. So everything was being demolished here. Uwe, tapomora. Ani ambo kibira pamoja mo. Kana ngoro kibicheki. Mimi si kuonesha picha. Wewe bomo siwezi kuja. You see, guys, you see the iron sheet, and this is the house was being removed. Kwani mbona mwenyewe alisema anaacha nyumba moja hata jikoni? Mbona amebomoa yote? Mbona tuliagiliana anaacha nyumba moja? Ako wapi?
Ile balbu inafanya.
Gani? Balbu iko wapi? Iko wapi? Yeye ni bonoko ifanye. You see, guys, so I really shocked, guys. The house was being demolished. Anaham. The house was being demolished, and we agree the house will be remaining here. But right now, everything changed. Everything take a U-turn, guys. But I thank God the mark will remaining here as a mark. Wow. So guys, thank you so much. That is it. And if I'm in charge of the land for somebody else, I will take the matter to be serious. And Koroboke, ma'am. Yes, Koroboke means good morning, ma'am. So I'll take matters to be serious. Like the land, the buyer and seller come together and said we create the payment and one house will be remaining. So right now I will be shocked, guys. All the houses are being demolished. So it's good to demolish your properties and we go with everything. But if you make the conversation that one house, 1, 2, 3 remaining, it will be taken serious. So let's go. Oh guys, I'm going to see my motorbike. So right now I'm trying to go to border town. So I'm trying to make these issues to get the land to be approved right now. So maybe by tomorrow we shall see how the progress of the land looks like. And the survey will be there. Maybe I could make the videos today, but I will release tomorrow. So like today, it's all about huge transformation at Ayamarwa's road. And that being said earlier, not only one person benefit, but our entire communities benefit. Like if you have the maize here and you harvest the maize and you want to transport to border town, guys, actually you could be able to transport it easily. So you want to go to your home?
Yeah, I'm just passing here.
Here?
Yeah,
You go.
go.
Shikama. Okay. Bobo kireni chimburi chino. Game. Game. So, yes, they are coming from Shamba.
So, me and Brian.
Okay, Robbie, bye.
Contact me at Robiga.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Okay,
Yeah.
you're welcome. So just over here is the goat for Congrats that you wanna be grazing here and enjoying, guys. Look. You know the good thing about the goats loves trees. Like sometimes trees are medicine, so you might not realize. Wow. Yes, guys, I'm going to check my baby. I left at Uncle Mo's gate there, so I want to take that motorbike. Sometime I call my baby because it's taking me all the way through the villages and to look for the content. Like for now, I get the land and all the way from my home. It helped me come here, going to border town, going back home, and also going to check my brother. So that motorbike or that my baby, it's helped me a lot. When I'm saying I have my baby, maybe most of the haters were being confused, you know. So to have a baby, it means I have something which can maybe assist me in other way as a means of transport. Oh, there's some fire over here. As a means of transport and could help for my entire village. Like, man, you have seen when I'm taking Congrats mom to school, when I'm taking David Jr., when I'm taking also my mom to hospital, to border town, when taking my sister, escorting my sister to school, and also when that motorbike helped me go to see my brother because it's far away from my village. And I say, Monkia, thank you so much, bro. May God bless you abundantly, guys. So east to west, home is the best. So I'm trying to make my family to be on another level through my struggle of my life. So I'm struggling right, left, center to make sure that my family put something on table and at least make smile on their face. So that is why I come out of you guys, and I need your full support toward my channel by watching my videos, and also comment the sweet comment. But I know for the haters, they wanna try to pull me down, but I stand more strong, more energetic, said no. So let's move. Even right now, being honest, I buy the land here, so maybe I could show you how people slash the side and cutting trees here. I think, guys, I could show you maybe when I'm in that tractors, you'll be able to see, and sometime I could become going that way because I had some trees were being cut down. Wow. You heard the voice for Congrats Dad, because Congrats Dad, he was a strong man in this world. When he stand for one side, said no, it's take serious. So right now they were been talking with the villagers like, this Lord, man, it's benefit you, just give us some maybe some feedback or some feedback to expand our road, because for example our neighbors have some maize here, and if we reach the time for harvesting season, the only thing is to harvest and then brought the vehicle, like taking the maize corn from the farm toward to his home. Maybe it's far away, and all in well, like everybody benefit here. So let's show you how I've been cut some trees, and I'm heading to border town. So right now, so I want to make this matter to be clear. Today the land have been approved. When it's approved, when the house will be remaining there. If not yet, we disagree with our point. Enter here, some temple assisting. This is Nasta here. Yes. What? Yes, do what Rome is doing. Yes. Try to pull out because the tractor is carrying there. Oh. Oh. Boom. Mr. Gachi. Inaenda. Yes. These trees are being cut from here. So we need to expand the road. This one here.
Wenye panga njoo. Naona shoka iko nanyi huko pale, lakini eti mtu weko mzuri ifanye kazi wapi?
Dogo njoo na hiyo panga.
Kwa bila mjui.
Kata hapa mzee. Hapo ndo tubebe turushe huko. Mana nitore babo kati. Mnakata haraka. You see the truck is coming. Oh. Mara moja.
Haya. Kuna moto umebaki huko juu. Toa hizo kamba, twende huko juu. Baraka twende na panga, huko juu.
Mmoja afungue kamba hapo.
Twende huko juu. Twende na panga huko juu.
Ona panga nyingine ndio ile pale.
Twende nazo huko juu.
Na muone miba.
Twende na panga zote huko juu. Twende na panga zote huko juu.
You see guys. So we try to expand this road here. And Mr. Cecil is coming from down. You see. Hey, rondero. Yes, you many channel. We try to construct a good road, and then when you want to come with a motorbike,
How are you seeing the road now?
At least I see the road is going, at least you can ride in the car.
Now you can move, but it's going to be better than this actually.
Mr. Ceci is coming from down. Supervise the road.
Yes. No problem, bro. Yes. No problem, bro. Yeah. What can you? Me, for my heart, I want to amaze you.
He's a superstar. Going to border time, supervising the road.
Wagwan, man. The star boy. Wagwan, man. How was everything?
10-4, 10-4, everything 10-4.
My boy.
Yes, sir. What you say? What you say? Talk to me, what you say?
Introduce yourself first of
No,
all.
me want to know what you say. What you say? Come, you want to be Jamaican. What you say? Come, chat to me.
They want to learn Potwa.
That's it I'm saying. Come.
I'm coming there, dear man.
Come, talk to me now. Talk to me.
It's very hard to understand.
Yes, like this.
Yeah. Talk to me now. What you
Say
say?
them.
Everything all right?
Everything is right.
Enough respect, man. Enough respect. Every time.
No love.
Every time.
All right.
Well, guys, sorry. Now I'm going to border town, and I'm going to look for the document. That's even There's some stones here, and I wanna take my baby just over here, and it's waiting me. Oh, I lost the key. I wanna cry. Oh my God, I lost that key, but it's here. I kept it safe. So right now, let me launch the new, but it's not new. I want to launch the road. Right now with my baby, taking me to border town, guys. So stay tuned as I launch this road. Well, guys, so I'm trying to launch the road with my baby. Look. So no worry right now, guys. I can drive. Look, guys. So I'm going to border town at the same time. I wanna launch the road right now because I follow where Mr. Ceci stepped with this car. So let's go. Well, super launching road with wow. Where my baby guys here? Look, guys. Right now, it's possible. I'm telling you. Whoa. Wow. coming right now. I don't want to interfere. So let's go. This is another huge transformation. And actually, guys, I'm going to order that. Beep, 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 beep. Oh! Oh! Oh, tata, tigahet. Oh! Oh! Mr. Yaketo! Oh, guys, I launched the road. Look! Look, guys! Look! Whoa, 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 whoa! It's going! Wow! So right now, that is Mr. Cecil the car, and right now, I'm taking my baby to border town. So guys, let me put the key, and man, I launched the road. It was so good. It was so good. We can't complain. The road was so good. I'm the second person to launch with my for the motorbike. I'm the second person because Gitrip has already passed here launching the road, and also me, I'm the second person. And on terms of vehicle, Mr. Cecil was the first person. Thank you so much, my people. We shall meet on the next videos. Stay tuned. Well guys, so right now I'm on the way heading to border town. So I want to make 1, 2, 3 issues, and then wow, what's going on here? What's going on here? The back, man. Wow. So I'm going to border town even nowadays. What let's go to see. Wow. Scania. That's Mercedes Benz for the tourists. Whoa. Guys, if you're new here, enjoy my first vlog on my premiere, and let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think about. And for me, I'm so grateful to be born and raised in African Kenya. So we just follow the vibe. So I'm outside with my baby, guys. Look. Wow, that one there. Hey, a kind of a sport bike. Man, goes over 1,000 miles of kilometers. Wow. Today it's a beautiful day. The weather is so calm, and we try to see, guys. Look, people migrate from one place to another, maybe looking for their job, maybe job transfer, or people want to migrate from one place to another for looking job. You know what I mean, guys? It's a kind of migration from one country to another, from one area to another. Wow. Hey. me, I'm really shocked on this road. I see the special vehicle, heavy machine, Germany machine, man. Wow. And in Kenya, we corrupt. We cut tax, and most of the roads are bad. Look even at this one. And we paid tax. Even right now, these are tax collection going on here. I'm telling you. You see, guys. I'm telling you. Even at my back, look. Wow. And imagine, guys, we pay tax as a business trader, and some of the roads are very, very bad. And I'm trying to imagine. I want to say, government of Kenya coming on, make some improvement to our most of the villagers and most African people coming on. Car grazing over there. So that's my Roman Catholic Church. I'm telling you. Wow. Hey. So I'm on the way going to border town. Wow, it's all morning. That's how you see the beauty of Southern Kenya. Wow. Look. Imagine guys, we Kenyan, we pay tax, and imagine, we pay tax and nothing takes serious. I want to say government of Kenya, coming on, made for entire, we are human beings. We need maybe to make some, maybe road construction, the road will be good. Wow, look. That way. So I want to say sorry of these times of corruption. I want to say sorry for that. Oh, people on the street. But I'm sorry for that, to mention people who sit on the street. Sorry, my God forgive me. So in other way, I want to say sorry for that. See people are migrating. Wow. So like in terms of government of Kenya must come for making people to be good, to feel good life, because we pay tax and nothing takes serious in terms maybe in roads and in remote taking carry in remote area, no electricity, and try to imagine we pay as we Kenyan, we pay tax. Man, that is it. So I don't want to talk too much. Kids are riding the tire. Look, so I'm going to border town. Wow. Man, this border town right now here, I'm telling you, people are hustling like to live. Wow. So other people are hustling as I'm hustling here. Wow. Wow, big tractors. See? Police station. Wow. Let's move on. So in other way, motorbike are so means of transport here. Look guys, crazy, overloading. Look. You see that? I hope the good thing are maybe to advance so in border town to show you maybe people come with new idea. Tourist vehicle have been washed over there. Oh man. Wow. So imagine from all the way from my home, I came here for some few kilometers to purchase material in terms of construction, and I like it. Taking serious. Special chairs. So most of the time I purchase tiles on this hardware here that you see. Wow. Wow. So this is a business town right now. Look, from Tanzania. Wow. Wow. Guys, enjoy today's vlog. Give my video a like, share to your family, and that is it, guys. guys, so we're just over here, and I wanna end my video, guys. So these are the stones here. So thank you so much, may God bless you. So the road have been constructed, guys, you can see here, and thank you so much. Look, wow, that is it. So thank you so much, may God bless you. I wanna say guys, bye.